How often have you idly observed a neighbor or even a stranger struggling with a day-to-day task? And more importantly, how often have you stopped and asked if they needed help? When David Perez spotted his 75-year-old neighbor climbing high onto a ladder to try and fix his own roof, he knew he had to help. Though Perez doesn't personally have any roofing skills, he used the power of social media to get Richard Dubiel the help he needed. And what happened next is an inspiring story of community kindness that will bring a tear to your eye. This is Richard Dubiel. He's 75 years old, and yet he was attempting to climb onto a shaky ladder and fix his roof. Concerned, his neighbor decided to reach out to Facebook and try to get him some help. The message was shared 1,400 times, much to Dubiel's surprise. Over 40 strangers showed up to help him with his project. Together, they were able to get his roof patched in no time. Dubiel says he was touched and astounded by the turnout. "You see so much negativity," he said. "Out here, this was positive."